Boys! Alright. I think I figured out the issue. Let me double test it, because after it worked, I didn't try it again yesterday. So, you know how it is. Sometimes it just doesn't work when you try it later, but I'm pretty sure it works. So, I compiled without any of the debug flags, um, and um, and optimizations are on. So if I add projects, bam. Um, Damn, that's low. Why is that so low? Wait a minute. Maybe I did fuck up. Oh yes. Wait, defaults. So then if I go here, projects. Okay, we are missing some stuff. I don't quite know why, but let's check what that is. But it didn't crash, so we take those. What function was it in? We are in. Hold on, let me open the blanket, and then we listen to Vi yesterday. So let's listen to the end. All right. Let's put this in the scratch pad. And the function was, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Get diff interface check path. Get diff. Bro, why didn't I just type in check path? Check path. Go to definition. All right, so let's print out the path, because it could also be that I messed up some formatting somewhere, because I did change how these are generated. Path, and I don't think I had to change anything in here, so it could very well be that it's just wrong. Okay, so we're only getting one. Why? But let's also make sure that that's correct. So if I come in here, I go to defaults, that should stop printing that. Yep. And then let's add Lil Lilac Lush. Bam, bam. All right, cool. So that is working properly. We're just not getting all of them. So we got a regression somewhere. Where do we get these though? Where is check path called? Actually, I can just use get reference, because I need to get used to that. So update tracked files. This is what's important. Oops. So what I want to do is let's check that we're getting everything in here. Okay, that's getting unplugged. So let's go info. Okay. Data, tracked paths, and then at the ith index should be the path that we're trying to check. Okay, so we're only getting one of them, so the problem is higher up than that. So where do we call, where do we call update tracked, update tracked files? So that's a, yeah. So here, this is tick. I think the problem is in updates. Okay. Get stats updates. Okay. It's not called that either. It is. Stats updates. Oh, that's why. Stats updates. There we are. So here Let's see if it's right here. Okay, so if the directory is not specified and we don't have anything in the repos directory, then it will do that. But we do have something in there, so we'll go here. So if we have something in there, we're going to free all the strings. If nothing is in there, we're going to malloc it again. Or not again for the first time. Then we set the track path to 0. And then we go through the entire... Ah, that's where I messed up. I see. I think. Because here, this is just the handler for the single repositories. Oh, no, because that's not right. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. So we say if it's empty, or no, if it's not empty, then we add that. So at this point, we want to see if we're getting everything in here. 0. Well, I is less than info data numtracked files, and then I++, we can print the contents of data tracked paths at I, the contents of everything, and then let's put a splitter. This will just be a series of these and then a new line. All right, let's try that out. So we come here, then we can delete this and then add this. Okay, so we do get everything in here. That's good. So that means I don't have to edit the this function, but that also means that we're not taking into account all of them somewhere. Let's try that again at the bottom. Make sure I didn't delete it on accident. Oops, I didn't delete it on accident. So let's reset this. Okay, so it's still here. Awesome. I still need to check this out later, but that's a later thing. Oh, I know what it is. Projects. I know what it is. This one is not a Git repo, and then this one is not a Git repo. I don't quite know if YouTube videos is or not, but okay, I have non-Git repos in there, which is good, very good that it's doing that. Then I didn't even think about that. Okay, cool. So everything is in here. So we need to look towards tick. So when we tick it, it's not going to be this. Then, oops, if track path is null, which it is not, so we're going to go here. Then we're going to update the tracked files. And then let's check that this is right. If it's not, then we know that it's tracked files. Info, data, added, and then info, data, deleted. But these are going to be longs, right? And then let's go ahead and print that too. Awesome, 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 awesome. Right, so it's, yeah. So these are still here and working properly, which is really good. So let's delete this. And it has to be this. So the question is, if we are getting everything properly, why are we getting a bunch of these? I don't think so. Yeah, that's not the problem. Oops. So we get here, the command length. Air no. So we didn't get an air no for this. It was in check path, which is good. That's where it's supposed to be. So we can keep coming down here. And then let's print out the file output. Ensure that we're getting what we expect from there. So we're checking the same thing over and over again. Oh. I think I figured it out. No, I didn't. This should run multiple times, but it doesn't. What is the amounts of the tracked files? We have 17, so we should go through here 17 times. I want to see how many times through here. Uh-oh, something just broke. And then let's print the separator. Uh-oh. Where did we get a segful at? I don't think I changed anything. 286. Oh, was it this stupid optimization thing? What did I change? It can't be this, right? Okay, well, that's stupid. It's only going through once. Why? Is it going here a bunch of times? Why is it a segfault? Something's messed up here. Okay. I doubt this is getting optimized out, but we can see. No way. But why? Okay. Whatever. But why only a certain amount of them? I want the file output to go along with it. Oh, I see. I see. Because some of them are just going to be empty. Because, like, if I take... Oops. If I take this, replace... Oops. No! And I replace this, and then I do %s, some of them are just going to be empty. Because they don't have any changes, and that's why it's only going through certain ones, I believe. Interesting. It's really not going through all of them. Is it a catch earlier? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that is all of them. It's just weird formatting. Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay. Glad we got that figured out. So now I don't need this anymore. And I don't need this. And this should be working properly. Yep. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Formatted looking nice. This Okay, so let's go ahead and push that. I love that that's just the one change I had to do. Status, this should just be the one file, yep. Git, add all, commit, debug. Fix for, okay, so now what I want to do. Dang, I didn't mind what I wanted to do, but I forgot already. Oh. I know what I want to do. Assuming that something more important isn't here. I want to add proper logging. The option to log easier. Yeah, let's do that. It's not that important for me right now, but it would be nice to have it in case just in case. So let's have, I probably should have done this earlier, but no, this is only relevant to that. I don't think I have globals. I mean, we could debug one thing at a time, I guess. Yeah, let's do define. Nah, I want to do it in a separate file. So let's make a globals .c, and then globals .h, and then I want to have an extern int debug, and then int debug, I think, is it's going to be 1 for now. But then I also need to add that to the CMake list, I think. Yes. So we'll need source / globals .c, source / globals .h. So I want to include globals.h, right? And then we'll say we can put this in my to-do. Oops, wait, that's gotta be like that. Actually, wait, can't I just use block mode for this and then delete it? Yeah, cool. So we have info, warning, error, and debug. Okay. So create, that is info. Destroy is also info. With so we can, I kind of want output from everything. If debug, then we OBS log log info or log debug, and then okay. Let me compile that to make sure that I'm doing this right. Awesome. Okay. No, wait. X. Okay, maybe this is a little too much. It's like small stuff that I can do very easily anyway. Right? So get rid of this. Update, there shouldn't, I don't think there are any fillers in here. I feel like it might be more sensible to just do this. Okay. I think it's just debug.h. Oh, why does it keep doing it? Too many open files. Man, whatever. I need this. Oops. 20 down. I just typed the same thing, didn't I? This is a warning. Or more so an error. Oh, I have caps lock on. Same thing. Didn't I delete this already? Log error. I'll figure out where that comes from later. Okay. And that should be it for here too. Create untracked files. But this is an error at this point. This is a warning. That's an error too. Wait, did I change? I did not change this. Oops. Oh. So this is check path, yeah. It couldn't open the directory, so that, yeah, that's also an error. Function line, update checked files. Oops. Where was my last one? I really need to use my other keybind. I get repo directory. Some malware error. The directory couldn't be opened. Same thing. Again, the directory couldn't be opened. Malloc error. Malloc error. Malloc error. Another malloc error. Oh, it's the same thing. And we're good for that. All right, cool. Uh-oh. No such file or directory. Where am I at? Oh. Wait, what'd I call it? Globals.h. Oh, I called it debug.h. That'll do it. Alright, so I need to check the log. I don't remember how to get to the log. Well, that's laggy. Is it because of this? Oh, it is. That's bad. I gotta figure that out. Okay, so performance issues. Okay, but the log, I don't remember where it is. Scripts, output timer. Still log files. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I wanted like the actual current log. There we go. If I go to defaults, is it? Oh yeah, that's fine. It might be too many. Or maybe I'm doing something wrong. No, not projects. I want like something random. Yeah, it's still fine. Okay, so it's a lot of files. So I may need to check. Make sure we're not checking all the time. But it should be on 5 seconds. Oh, duh. It should be on 5 seconds, not. Oh, I like that's red. Yeah. We'll have to check that out. But, for check path at least, let me make sure. That's why I'm accidentally quitting. Okay, I get it. Damn, get on my face. Quit. I'm accidentally Control-Cing too fast, so I'm cutting something off. What was I looking for? Check path. I want the file in there too. So if you return, what is it? Oh, well, no such path or directory. And then another %s, and then we'll give the path. Wait, no, that's the malloc. I want here. Or this will be buffer in this case. So does it tell me what FPS I'm running at right now? 9 FPS, bro. That's awful. Okay. So let's go to defaults. And now it should be fine. Constant 30. Yep. You go to projects, and it should give me, yeah, random and YouTube videos. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's add this stuff. Oh yeah, wait, let me try turning debug off. Globals. Debug is now 0. Oh, I didn't put those under the... What did I put under debug? I don't think I put anything under debug, actually. So I didn't even need that. Did I? No. Okay. So let's get rid of this. See, let me close it first. Oops. So let's get rid of this. Yes. And then get rid of this. And then we are going to delete that from... So first of all, we need to get rid of this here. And then here. And then get rid of it in our CMake lists. Debug. Okay, well. Oh, I'm in the wrong one, aren't I? Wait, no, I'm not. 37. All right, cool. So what are we looking like on time? We're good. Yeah, so now let's see if we can figure out that performance stuff. I kind of have a suspicion that it's just updating all the time because it's constantly low, and it shouldn't be that because we have it on a 5-second timer. Yeah, that's not right. Is it because init list or init run, or is it because of wait, we or equaled it was 1. If we have 0 and we or, yeah, this should be ORed with 0. Init. I think. I don't think, I'm pretty sure. I keep hitting caps lock. Quit. We're still at a low FPS though. And for some reason it's not updating. Did I delete the update thing? Oh, I did. We're still updating a bunch. Give me the value of init. Because theoretically this could solve it because it's a multi-threaded application and it could just be taking out a bunch of threads to run this. It could, I could, like, the performance could be fine. What if we make this, is it because it's not int? I want this to be 1. It's still always 1. Is it because we're inside? There's no way, right? I want to print it right after we change it and right before. Oh, I'm stupid. This should be... Where's the ampersand? I can't find it. Oh, there we go. And equals. Bam. There we go. And it's nice and quick too. We shouldn't see a drop in FPS. I did for a second, but I never watched it, so I don't actually know if it's because of my settings or not. And I don't think it is. So now, if we go back to defaults, we should be good. Yeah, it's pretty quick. I think we're good. So let's get rid of these. I can't believe I made that mistake. That's crazy. But actually, that would have worked if the or equals would have worked if I wasn't silly and I did like init. I did the same thing as I did before, init run or equals 1, but I set this to be like not init run, and I started it as 0, but I didn't think that through very well. So we're good. There's probably definitely things we can do to make it more efficient, but for now I think it's running fine. If we set it to 0, it does drop for sure, because it's running all the time. 1, yeah, you get more. Yeah, as long as it's not running all the time, we're good. So like 2 should be back up to 30. Yeah. So 2 is reasonable. 5 is a good default. But I kind of do want to make it so that somebody can run it real time if they want to. I mean, they probably can because I don't have a powerful computer and I'm recording at the same time. But you'd want to be recording. Well, we're recording with 2 instances, but it doesn't really matter. I'm considering this solved. But in optimistic, I'm going to like make it blazingly fast. Oh, I'm not doing this anymore. Okay, so performance issue, we're good. Yeah, that's good. And then let's build it again. Double test it, studio. And let's make sure nothing's bugging out in the log too. And then let's make sure create is working as well too. Awesome. Projects, bam. And it's gonna update in 5 seconds. Oh, I didn't even think about it. It's gonna be very expensive running this. I kind of want to know. Wait, if I put this on 0, how much FPS do I lose? Oh, it's pretty It's pretty linear, the amount of FPS you lose. Okay, so let's look at the log. Yeah, it's definitely seems to be fine. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and commit that. So git diff. All right, awesome. Today was a good day. Made some good progress. Getting closer and closer. That's gonna be replaced soon. What I want to do is probably later today, I'm going to try to see if I can figure out those memory leaks. And then once I do that, I'm gonna run it overnight to make sure I'm not like losing performance over time or whatever from like a random leak that's not being found. And then I'll be all good. I'll probably get to doing a little bit of these. But the main ones I want to do is this one and this one. Oh, probably refactoring it too, because that would be good to practice that. But I think these two, wait no, these two will go hand in hand. Because I'm pretty sure there's more ineffective things I'm doing that I'll have to refactor that'll make it faster. But yeah, good day as always. Well, I won't say it was always, but good day today.